All right, Skip. What it do, man? It's your play partner G, man, back with another bang, man. I hope you guys are doing all right. I hope you guys are doing okay, man, and setting your goals and getting shit done, man. So your boy just got off of work, man. I gotta head to the shop. I gotta change my brake pads, man. I've been waiting too long to do it. My car's starting to feel kind of funny, so I'm thinking is that when I'm going like a certain speed on the highway, my tire starts to shake and shit like that. I already changed everything. I changed the rag in there and out of tire rod, upper control arm, lower control arm, and it's still doing that, man. So it's long overdue, guys. So let's get it, man. Let's head to the shop and give you guys a little POV. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it, man. Beautiful day, man. It's Saturday, so it's not that much traffic, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't really tripping about going. That's the only reason why I'm taking a chance to go ahead and do it, man. And plus, it's super easy if you got the Akebonos too. So I'm finna show you guys how easy it is. Them bitches just slide right off from the top, you know what I'm saying? Good outside, man. The sun's already out. Well, there's no traffic on the highway. That's how you get on the highway. That's nice right there. We got CTS, yeah, CTSV. Nasty. Look at that truck. Old school. That's lit right there. So yeah, guys. I'm gonna see you guys when I get to the shop, man. Let's get it. If y'all need any mechanic work done, man, holler at me, man. Got somebody here full time ready to do it, man. Anything you guys need. Feel me? You need the starlight, you need your car wrap. You know what I'm talking about? You need a motor put in your car, gallery gaskets, water pump, whatever. Got you. Let me a little space right there so I can pull up. Nope. I'm about to do this shit out here. Look at this dumbass put this shit right here, right in front of our shit, man. Yeah, man, we still gotta install my boy's shit, man. Still gotta install my boy's shit. Get it, guys. I'm gonna let the car cool down a little bit. Not that I have to. You know what I'm saying? I gotta take care of a couple of things in here, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to do that shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Those out. Don't lose those. And then we gotta push something through here. So slide that shit out. So boom, comes off like that. And then you do the same to this side. Do the same to this side. And I gotta respray my calipers, man. I should have got them powder coated, but they don't look bad. So these ain't that bad. I'm still gonna go ahead and change them. You just slide them out. Show you how this one is easy to slide out. So they slide out. Boom. they're not that bad, but I'm pretty sure the other side is. So what I'm doing is pushing the cylinder in. So boom. Boom. Put the new one in like that and just put everything back the same way. So put this right here. Trying to do this shit with one hand, guys. So boom, that's all it is to it, guys. So you do the same to the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then we head home, man. I mean, these wasn't that bad. I'm pretty sure the other side is really bad. So I'm gonna still keep these just in case. A little backup, you know what I'm saying? Can't wait to see what the other side looks like. So yeah, let's get it, man. Let's change the other side. So it's all done, guys. So basically, before you start your car, this is very important, guys. Before you start your car, you gotta pump your brakes so they could clamp again, because if you turn on your car without pumping your brakes, you're basically gonna have to bleed the whole system, you know what I'm saying? See that? It's good to go now. There you go. So yeah, guys, let's shut down. Now, man, about to shut down and head to the crib, man. Appreciate you guys for rocking with your boy. If you guys have any questions, man, don't be afraid to ask your boy. So yeah, gang, your boy's headed home, man. Appreciate you guys for rocking with your boy, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. If you guys are new to the channel, man, welcome to the fam. Yeah, man, let's run this channel up, man. Let's get it, guys.